In this chapter, today you will know about rendering help when a natural disaster occurs. You have learned about the natural disaster. What are the disasters you have learned about? Earthquake, flood, tsunami, all these things, okay? Cyclone, and today you will know about rendering help when a natural disaster occurs. What are the help we can do when this disaster happens? It can be by government or by a non-government organization. Help can be done by a government and also a non-government organization. This non-government organization, we used to say what? NGO. What if we say NGO? So they help in this situation to people. Yes, how they help you will know about that. The government and several non-government organizations work at their level to render help when a natural disaster occurs. When natural disasters occurs, this government and non-government organization, what they do? They work at their level. They work at their level. Yes, to render help when natural calamities occurs. Okay. So what government do on that time? The armed force you are knowing. So what the armed force do? They help the evacuate people from the disaster site with the helicopter and use of airlift people. Armed force, they go on that position where disaster occurs and they help the people to come out from the areas. They use their helicopters and what? Airlift to people to take out from that disaster, and they used to take them to the hospital and do their treatment. Yes, who do all these things? Armed force do. Armed force, they help the people on the disaster time by taking out from that situation with the help of helicopter or aircraft. Next, what does the armed force do on that time? The armed force drop medicine, cloth, food packet for the people at the disaster site. What does armed force do? Armed force, they drop the medicine, cloth, food packets, yes, for people who are in the disaster site. Next, what does government do? The government maintain law and order. Government maintain what? Law and order. The government restores communication network like radio, telephone line, etc. Then psychological counseling is given to people who has lost their near and dear ones. Who has lost their near and dear ones, for them what used to be government? Psychological counseling, that don't think it will be recovered, now you are all right. Like this counseling they are doing with the people, those who are in safe position, because why? They have lost their houses, their near and dear one. This all help done by the government. Understood? What does government do? Government used to armed force, they send the armed force to evacuate the people from disaster site with the help of helicopter, and they use the airlift for people. Armed force, they dropped medicines, clothes, food packet for the people at disaster site. The government maintain the law and order. What does government maintain on that time? Law and order. The government restore communication network like radio, telephone line, etc. psychological counseling is given to people who has lost their near and dear one. Understood? This thing is done by the government, and NGO is also their non-government, they also help in this disaster time. NGO, the World Health Organization, the Red Cross work at their own level to help the affected people by providing medicine, clothes, food and etc. Understood? Next one is individual and social role. So what is there? Each one of us can be use a bit to help a victim affected by a disaster. If at the disaster site, face the situation bravely and encourage people around you and also to be brave. Do not get carried away by rumors. If not at the disaster site, contribute in cash or kind clothes, medicine. Encourage people around you to do the same. Join hand with NGO that is helping at the disaster site. Understood? And you must be aware that due to rise of natural calamities, disaster management has become a part of the school curriculum. It helps to make the student aware of how to deal with disaster. Okay, so what you have learned today, student? Today you have learned about the rendering help when a disaster occurs. So we can help by government and also by non-government work at their level to render help when the natural disaster occurs. Armed force, government sent the armed force to take out the people who were in disaster site. They use their helicopter and helicopter and airlift to take out the people. Armed force, they drop the clothes, medicines, food packet for the people who are in the disaster site. Restore communication for network using in telephone, road, etc. Next, psychology counseling is given to the people. Why? Because they lost their houses and their near and dear ones. Maintaining the law and order, government maintain the law and order, and there are also many NGOs are there, Red Cross are there, and World Health Organization, they work their own level and help the people by giving them clothes, medicine and providing them food, etc. Understood? This we can do when there is a natural disaster. So today this much only. Next day again we will continue with other topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.